Welcome to Copenhagen, a city where fairy tales come to life and adventures await around every corner. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or just love exploring new places, we've got 25 amazing things to do right now that won't break the bank. But that's not all. Stick around until the end for some exclusive tips that even the locals might not know. First stop, Nyhavn Harbor. This iconic spot with its colorful 17th century houses is perfect for a scenic stroll. Snap some photos, grab a coffee, and enjoy the lively atmosphere. The best part? It's free! Don't miss the world-famous Little Mermaid statue, inspired by Hans Christian Andersen's fairy tale. A small but enchanting sight, it's a must-visit landmark and it's completely free. Explore the grandeur of Rosenborg Castle and the stunning King's Garden. While entry to the castle has a fee, wandering through the gardens and enjoying a picnic is absolutely free. A perfect spot to relax and soak in the royal surroundings. Discover the unique and eclectic neighborhood of Freetown Christiania. This self-proclaimed autonomous district is known for its colorful murals, creative atmosphere, and alternative lifestyle. A fascinating place to explore, and it won't cost you a thing. Immerse yourself in Danish history and culture at the National Museum of Denmark. With free entry for all, you can explore exhibits ranging from Viking artifacts to modern Danish design without spending a dime. Hungry? Head over to Refn, Copenhagen's largest street food market. Here, you can find delicious and affordable bites from around the world. It's a great spot to mingle with locals and fellow travelers alike. One of the best ways to see Copenhagen is by bike. Rent a bike for a few hours and explore the city's extensive bike lanes. It's an affordable and fun way to get around and see the sights at your own pace. Join a free walking tour to learn about Copenhagen's history and culture from knowledgeable guides. It's a fantastic way to see the city's highlights and hear intriguing stories. Visit the Botanical Garden, a peaceful oasis in the heart of the city. Wander through its beautiful landscapes and glass houses filled with exotic plants, all for free. Cool off at Island's Brygge Harbor Bath. This popular swimming spot offers clean water and great views of the city, and it's free to use. Perfect for a sunny day in Copenhagen. For a peaceful and historical experience, visit a Cisterns cemetery. This beautiful green space is the final resting place of famous Danes, including Hans Christian Andersen. It's a great spot for a quiet walk or a reflective moment. Explore the unique and colorful Superkilen Park in the Nørrebro district. This urban space features art and installations from around the world, making it a vibrant and diverse area to explore, perfect for some quirky photos. Don't miss Frederiksberg Gardens, a stunning and expansive green space ideal for a relaxing day out. With lakes, canals, and even a view of the elephants at the adjacent zoo, it's a hidden gem for nature lovers. Ørstedsparken is another serene park right in the city center. With beautiful paths, a lake, and plenty of spots for a picnic, it's a great place to unwind and enjoy nature. Copenhagen is known for its beautiful and unique bridges. Take a walk or bike ride across the iconic Circle Bridge, the modern Inner Harbor Bridge, or the historic Knippelsbro for stunning views of the city. Escape the city and visit the Deer Park, or Dyre Haven, a tranquil forest just north of Copenhagen. Home to hundreds of free-roaming deer, it's perfect for a leisurely walk or a bike ride. You might even spot the Royal Hunting Lodge, the Hermitage. Head to Amager Beach Park for a day of sun, sand, and sea. This urban beach offers clean, calm waters, sandy beaches, and a stunning view of the Øresund Bridge. It's a great place for swimming, picnicking, or just relaxing. Discover the David Collection, a hidden gem of Copenhagen. This museum houses an impressive collection of Islamic art, European 18th century art, and Danish early modern art. Entry is free, making it a must-visit for art enthusiasts. Visit Kastellet, one of the best preserved star fortresses in Northern Europe. Walk along the ramparts, explore the historic buildings, and enjoy the beautiful views of the city and harbor. It's a great place for a scenic and peaceful walk. Explore the trendy Vesterbro district, known for its vibrant street art, cozy cafes, and eclectic shops. It's a great area to wander around, enjoy a coffee, and soak in the local vibe. Don't miss the Meatpacking district, which transforms into a bustling nightlife spot in the evenings. Marvel at the architectural wonder of Grundtvig's church, a rare example of expressionist church architecture. Its stunning facade and serene interior make it a fascinating visit. Entry is free, so take your time to appreciate this unique structure. Admire the modern architecture of the Copenhagen Opera House. While tickets to performances can be pricey, you can still enjoy the striking exterior and the scenic waterfront views for free. For a different perspective of the city, rent a kayak and paddle through Copenhagen's picturesque canals. It's an affordable and adventurous way to explore the city from the water. Copenhagen hosts numerous flea markets where you can find unique treasures, vintage items, and local crafts. Whether it's the Thorvaldsens Museum Flea Market or the Frederiksberg Flea Market, you're sure to discover something special. Keep an eye out for Copenhagen's hidden courtyards. These secret spots often feature beautiful gardens, charming cafes, and a peaceful atmosphere, providing a quiet escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Copenhagen is brimming with affordable adventures and hidden gems waiting to be discovered. From historic landmarks and scenic parks to vibrant neighborhoods and unique museums, there's something for everyone. But wait, there's more. To make your trip even more enjoyable and budget-friendly, here are some additional tips and tricks to maximize your Copenhagen experience. Try a Danish hot dog, affordable and delicious, a must-try street food. Explore local markets, find fresh produce, gourmet foods, and unique souvenirs at places like Torvehallerne. Discover the secret village of Dragør, a charming old fishing village just a short bus ride from the city, with cobbled streets and picturesque houses. Visit the Museum of Copenhagen. Free entry to learn about the city's history through interactive exhibits. Explore the Cisterns, an underground art space located in former water reservoirs beneath Søndermarken Park. Stroll along the lakes. Sørene. Enjoy a leisurely walk or bike ride around the beautiful lakes that run through the city. Check out the street food markets. Besides Reffen, visit Broens Gatekøkken and the Bridge Street Kitchen for affordable and diverse food options. Attend a free concert at Huset KBH. This cultural center often hosts free live music and events. Relax at the kayak bar, a floating bar on the canals where you can enjoy a drink and watch the world go by. Thanks for joining us on this budget-friendly tour of Copenhagen. We hope these tips help you make the most of your visit without breaking the bank. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. And remember, travel smart and explore more.